Hello students, today I am going to explain the next concept, that is division of integers. So we know that in my last video we had already learnt the multiplication, addition, subtraction and the properties also, commutative property, closure property, associative property, distributive property. So now we move on to the division of integers, and also we learn the properties of division of integers. So first one, you know that all the multiplication is a process which is reverse process of division. Multiplication is a reverse of division. So how? Let's see. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. See, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So we can write it as, so 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3, because 5 3s are 15. Similarly, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So see here, this is division process, this is multiplication, but here multiplication is a reverse of division, or division is a reverse of multiplication. Okay, this is holds good for whole numbers. So we can do similarly for integers. For example, take a two integers. One is 6 into minus 2. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. So now write in the reverse process of division. So how to? So we can write it as minus 12 divided by minus 2. First cancelled out sign, minus and minus cancelled out. 2 1s are 2 6. So here 6 is get. Another type is minus 12 divided by 6. So minus is here minus, 6 1s are 6 2s are. So minus 2 is there. Okay. So take another one example. For example, 6 divided by minus 3. Okay. How it? So what will be the result? Here minus is there. Minus is there. So this is minus, 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay. So in generally, how can we return in general? So we can return as a divided by b is equal to minus a divided by b. Remember that in general, a divided by minus b is equal to minus a divided by b. Here I will take a one positive, one negative integer. If I take a both are negative integers, for example, minus 8 divided by minus 2. Here I will take both negative integers. So minus minus cancelled out, 2 4s are 8, that is plus 4. In general, how can we written? So minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b, because minus minus cancelled out, a divided by b in general. Okay, this is the general form of division of two negative integers. This is the general form of division of one positive and one negative integer. So see here, if I take the 0, we know that in integers means it includes negative, positive and 0. If any number is if 0 is divided by any integer, that will be my 3 or 0 by minus 4, 0 by minus 6. So what will be the answer? The answer is 0. Answer, if 0 is divided by any number, we will get 0. If it will be reverse, if we will do the reverse process, that is 3 by 0 or minus 4 by 0, minus 6 by 0. So what will be the answer, or what will be the product? The product is not defined. Remember that product is not defined. Another name is infinity. Remember that infinity. If any number is divided by 0, we get infinity or not defined. Remember that. Okay. So now we move on to the properties of a division of integers. The first property we know that commutative property. See here, one negative integer, one positive integer. So divide. When we divide minus 6 by 2, we get minus 3. So commutative means reverse that. If the 2 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 and LHS is equal to RHS, that is, it holds good for commutative property. Here also we do same process, reverse that. When reverse 2 divided by minus 6, we will get minus 1 by 3. So here minus 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 3. Yes, minus 3 is not equal to minus 1 by 3. So that here the integers are not holds good for commutative property under division. Remember that, because when we reverse it number, we will not get the same product, or same quotient. Okay, so that integers are not commutative under division. Remember that. So that it's not necessary to check the associative property or distributive property, because here commutative property is not holds good. So this associative and distributive properties are like that. It will not holds good for integers under division. Okay. So another one thing here you should remember that here, if any integer are divided by 1, we will get the same number. Okay, the any integer is divided by 1, we will get same number. In general, we can write it as a by 1 is equal to a. Okay, this is, you should remember that. If any integer is divided by 1, we will get the same number. If 6 divided by 1, 6. Minus 3 divided by 1 is minus 3. Minus 7 divided by 1, we will get 7. So that in general, we can write it as a divided by 1 is equal to a. So next we move on to the exercise problem, that is exercise 1.4. In that, evaluate the following. So see here, the first problem is minus 30 divided by 10. We can write it as minus 30 divided by 10. 0, 0 cancel, here minus 1, 3 is a 3. Answer is minus 3. So second one is 50 divided by minus 5. So here minus is there, we can put minus. 5 ones are 0 is take minus 10. See in the problem, 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Okay, 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, here bigger number is 2, so put minus sign here. So 13 divided by minus 1 is minus 1, 13 is a 13. Answer is minus 13. Okay. The next problem is verify the a divided by b plus c not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. Just verify, check this is equal to this or not. Here just we have to check the LHS is equal to RHS. They given the values of a, b, c. Okay. So write the first LHS, a divided by b plus c. Put the values of a, b, c in the place of a. A is 12 divided by b is 4, c is 2. Yes, we can write it as 12 divided by 4 plus 2. So 12 divided by 6. So 6 ones are 6 twos. Answer is 2. So next take on the RHS. A divided by b, a divided by c. See, put the values of a. A is 12 divided by b is 4 plus a is 12, b is 6. Okay, this is division. Now 12 by 4 plus 12 by 2. This is 4 ones are 4 threes are plus 2 ones are 2 six are. 3 plus 6 is 9. Here LHS is 2. This is RHS. 2 not equal to 9. So we have to check here what LHS not equal to RHS. That is 2 not equal to 9. The next one is fill in the blanks. So here see that when we multiply any when we divide 369 by any number, we will get the 369. So which number we have to multiply here? So 1. See here, the 369 divided by 1, we will get 369. Yes? Okay. See here, minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. When we divide minus 75 by any number, we will get minus 1. So which number we have to divide? Plus 75. You see here, minus 75 divided by plus 75 cancelled out. We will get minus 1 because here minus 1. So answer is there. The next one. Write the 5 pairs of integers such a divided by b is minus 3. So now we have to divide pair of integers. Pair means 2 integers. So divide the 2 integers. We get the quotient is minus 3. Okay. So which number we have to? So here we have to write 5 pairs. Like that we have to write 5 pairs. First one here I write 6 divided by minus 2. So here minus is there, minus 2 ones are 2 threes. This is one pair. Next pair is 12 divided by minus 4. So see here, I'll take the negative integer because the quotient is negative. So here I'll take one integer must be negative. Okay, why I'll take the negative integer? Because quotient is minus, so that I'll take on the one negative integer. Okay, so that 12 divided by minus 4, here minus is there, minus 4 ones are 4 threes are 12. The next one is 9 divided by minus 3. So minus is there, minus 3 ones are 3 threes are. Okay, the next one is 15 divided by minus 5. Yes, minus is there, minus 5 ones are 5 threes are. And similarly 18 divided by minus 6. So minus 6 ones are 6 threes. This is 5 pairs. This is 5 pairs of integers such that a divided by b is minus 3. Okay, so please copy these all problems in your classwork, and whatever remaining problems are there in the textbook, solve all the problems and send to my number. Thank you, students.